So I'm tightening up the rear lines to the dumps, or I should say the feeds. Feeds to the dumps, and then gonna get the dumps wired, or just kind of working like side to side pretty much. The front lines are ran, they're just not ran back here yet. I just wanted to see where I could get away with back here. Okay. In terms of like cleanliness, you know. I don't want them to be like openly noticeable. I'd rather them be tucked away. It's literally the hardest part, getting this laid out, because you really can't do nothing until you get the switches laid out where you want, and then you can actually do all the rest of the wiring. Because the battery, that's the easy part, but if you ain't got this wired in where you want it, shit, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do this where he wants. Yeah, I mean, he told me to put it on this side, but it's really like, this is really high. I don't want to drill right here. I feel bad for drilling right here, because right there would be ideal. And then he's got the extensions, but the problem is when you sit in here, like, it's right in front of the gas pedal, so it's not really ideal. Otherwise, we put it on this side, it's gonna be kind of, but I mean, if you mount it here, you're more likely to hit it. But he don't really got a flat spot here. It's gotta go up like this.
You look like that fit.
Yes, sir. Popped right out. So, yeah. Okay. How much slack is in there? Let me decide on where we're gonna put this. Usually I would probably screw these. I usually screw this to the body, but I might actually screw this to the rack itself today. So yeah, basically run this to there, boom, and then this branches out. I mean, it could even go right here. That's not too bad to service.